How to build a swimming pool. A swimming pool can make a great addition to a big backyard, but installing one is far from a DIY project. In most cities, you won't be allowed to build a pool yourself, as construction must be supervised by a licensed builder in order to be considered up to code. However, the installation process is similar, whether you're putting in a fiberglass, vinyl, or concrete pool. Start by choosing a suitable location for your new pool, then deciding on your preferred shape and depth. You'll then hire out a building crew who will excavate the area, add the necessary plumbing and electrical wiring elements, and finally pour concrete or insert a water-retentive liner before filling the pool. Part 1. Planning your pool. One, obtain the necessary building permits. 2. Pick out a suitable site for the pool. 3. Come up with a basic design for your pool. 4. Create the foundation of your pool with concrete to ensure that it's built to last. Five. Purchase a molded fiberglass pool for ease of installation. 6. Go with a vinyl-lined pool if you want to spend less. Seven. Hire a pool contractor to bring your vision to life. Part 2. Creating the basic structure. One. Excavate the area. 2. Grade the ground at the bottom of the hole. 3. Frame the walls with steel supports. 4. Install all necessary plumbing fixtures. Five. Wire the pool for electricity. Part 3. Lining the pool. 1. Pour the walls and floor if you're putting in a concrete pool. 2. Have fiberglass pools set professionally. Three. Fit vinyl pools with a flexible liner. 4. Fill up the pool. 5. Treat your pool with the necessary chemicals.